Maximize every deal with Revegy's Opportunity Insights dashboard, your go-to tool for driving pipeline visibility, improving execution, and accelerating revenue growth. This dashboard gives sales teams and managers a centralized, data-rich view of opportunity health, activity, and progress, so nothing slips through the cracks. At the top, up to 4 configurable widgets spotlight the metrics that matter most, like stalled opportunities, expired opportunities, health score decrease, and more. Below, a robust data table breaks down everything for a complete picture of how your opportunities are performing, what's working, what's not, and where to focus. Quickly narrow down what you see using powerful filters. And when you're ready to share, export the current data view to CSV with just one click. Admins can create custom views tailored to teams, roles, or business units. Each view can be customized with specific metrics and up to 4 widgets, or none at all if you prefer to focus strictly on the data table. Users can pin frequently used views for quick toggling or set one as their default for instant access. Working inside an opportunity? There's no need to leave. Just click the Insights gauge icon in the top right. A slide-out panel gives you at-a-glance metrics, recommended values, and pinned views, so you can take action in real time. With the Opportunity Insights dashboard, your team is equipped to spot risk early, prioritize effectively, and close deals faster, with confidence and clarity.